Let's review how to use Bitwarden on a site like reddit.com. Let's click Sign Up. Normally, you would fill out the form on the website, but let's open Bitwarden. You will notice it says we don't have any logins for this URL. So let's click Add a Login or click the plus button. It autofills the information for which site we are on. We then choose a username. We can type a password ourselves, or we can use the password generator to create a very strong password to use for this account. Click Save. Once the login is created, we can see it listed, and if we click it, it'll then autofill the registration form and we can sign up.